Hello, introducing myself. My name is Nila Chandradev, registration number 2021331083. Today I will discuss about the chapter named Consumer Behavior. Due to the shortage of time, I would explain the chapter briefly. So, in this chapter, we have four major topics: utility and choice, consumer equilibrium, income consumption curve, and water diamond paradox. In utility and choice, we have cardinal versus cardinal versus ordinal utility, total utility TU and marginal utility MU. Relationship between total utility and marginal utility and law of diminishing marginal utility. In consumer equilibrium, we have indifference curve and budget line, marginal rate of substitution, and consumers equilibrium. Okay, and then in income consumption curve, we have angel curve and derivation of consumer demand curve. And lastly, we have water diamond paradox. Okay, I'm starting the chapter with utility and choices. What is actually utility? Informal definition: the term utility refers to the satisfaction or benefit that a person derives from consuming goods or service. Like every consumer makes choices based on utility, aiming to maximize their overall satisfaction within their limited resources. It mainly expresses how much satisfaction we get by using any goods. Okay, and it's measured in utils, which is hypothetical unit. The utility helps us compare preference conceptually, but it is not objectively measurable. And the word choice in economics is about selecting the best option given limited resource. Like you have many options, but the best option is called choice in economics. Let's imagine a person eating a pizza. Okay, in first bite, in first slice, he gets 10 utils. We are considering a numerical value. Okay, it's very satisfying. Like when we bite the first slice of pizza, we get more pleasure. And second slice, we are getting 8 utils, still good but slightly less satisfying. And third slice, we got 5 utils. Now we are seeing that the satisfaction level is decreasing. And fourth slice, we are getting 2 utils. And fifth slice, we are getting 0 in it. That we are seeing that the value has been 0. Okay, and after the slice, in sixth slice, we are seeing that the value has been negative. Like it was 0 and it has been -3. So when it actually occurs, or we can say when the thing happens, when we eat too much, like we are no longer hungry, then it happens actually. Okay, utility can be measured in two different ways: cardinal utility versus ordinal utility. uh, if I provide an example from cardinal utility, uh, let's think: drinking cups of tea in the morning. The first cup is highly satisfying, but by the fourth or fifth cup, satisfaction decreases significantly. So this approach is used in older economic theories and pricing models. Like we can we, we can see the chart. Let's talk about cardinal utility. Cardinal utility can be measured in numerical unit, and the unit is called utils, which is hypothetical. As we as we told before. In cardinal utility, we use a specific number to quantify the satisfaction. Okay, like if I eat a mango, I get 10 utils. If I eat a banana, I get 20 utils. Like in cardinal utility, we approach based on cardinal number like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, blah blah blah. Cardinal utility is used in older economic theories and utility based pricing models. Okay, let's move forward to ordinal utility. In ordinal utility, uh, we assume consumers can the consumers can rank preference but not measure them precisely. Okay, like it can be ranked actually, like i I prefer tea over coffee. Okay, uh, I I'm not giving coffee a numerical value or tea a numerical value, but I can compare between them. Like I prefer more tea. Okay, ordinal utility based on ordinal number like first, second, third, which is used in rank wise. Okay, and ordinal utility is used in modern consumer theory and behavioral economics. Okay, let's move into total utility and marginal utility. Total utility refers to the overall satisfaction or benefit a consumer derives from consuming a given quantity of goods or services. It is the sum of utility gained from each unit consumed. The total utility is measured in hypothetical units called utils. Through it is a though it is a subjective concept and varies from person to person based on preference and consumption. Okay, if I provide an example, if eating the first chocolate gives 10 utils and eating a second chocolate increases total satisfaction to 18 utils, the marginal utility of the second chocolate is 8 utils, whereas the total utility is 18 units. Um, in marginal, what is marginal utility? Actually, marginal utility is the additional satisfaction gained from consuming one more unit of the good. Marginal utility declines as consumer consumption increases, affecting total utilities growth. Okay, marginal utility is measured as the change in total utility when the additional unit of good or services is consumed. The formula of marginal utility is the first derivative of total utility. M is the slope of TU curve. Okay, like it is the TU curve. Okay, its slope is called its slope is the marginal utility or mu. The mathematical formula of marginal utility will always be the first derivative of f of q. Okay, the idea is that if we know the curve tu versus q, we can easily determine marginal utility by the tangent line at any point. This makes sense because marginal utility refers to additional satisfaction from consuming one more unit of good or service. Like this is the graph of total utility. But now the question is, what is marginal utility? Marginal utility is the slope of total utility. Uh, if we draw a line which is tangent line, like no, it's not. Like if I use another color, like we can consider this is a line of total utility. The line is called marginal utility. in differentiation we call the first derivative of total utility. Okay, now the interesting thing, the TU graph. Okay, the TU graph is firstly increasing at increasing rate. This portion is increasing at increasing rate. This is the point of inflection. This is the point of inflection. Okay, and after that it is increasing at decreasing rate, like this way. Okay, then it's reached the tu max and it's reached the max. Okay, and after that it is decreasing, and the important point is point of inflection. Okay, the point of inflection is the point where mu is max. Okay, uh, as we are seeing the graph below. Okay, mu max, first of all that's getting, and then now I would discuss about law of diminishing marginal utility. Okay, this law states that a consumer consumes more unit of good, the additional satisfaction declines. If I provide an example, the first glass of water after workout is highly satisfying, but after drinking multiple glasses, satisfaction reduces. This concept actually explains why demand curves slope downward. Okay, the total utility rises while mu is positive, but may drop when mu reaches 0 or negative. Okay, now come to the topic water diamond paradox. The water diamond paradox explains why water which is essential is cheaper than diamonds which are not essential. The main reason is marginal utility. Water has high total utility but low marginal utility because it's abundant. Diamonds have low total utility but high marginal utility due to their scarcity. Actually, more scarce goods have higher marginal utility and prices.